Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the change safe. Power off both devices and unplug the monitor. You do this to avoid shorts and edit confusion. Next, identify the exact HDMI connector on the monitor and the PC. This prevents forced adapters later. Once done, select a high-speed HDMI cable or the correct adapter. Make sure to keep cables untangled so you can route and test quickly. This saves time when you reconnect and verify signal integrity. You now remove the existing cable, supporting the connector and not yanking the cable to protect pins. After removal, align the HDMI plug properly and insert it straight into the port. The correct orientation prevents bent pins and ensures handshake. If using an adapter, connect it to the plug first, then to the device. Once seated, route the cable so it has gentle curves only, and secure it to prevent movement that could break the connection during testing. You finish by powering devices and selecting HDMI input on the monitor. This forces the new handshake. Then check your OS display settings and choose the proper resolution and refresh rate so the monitor and GPU match. If you see no signal, make sure cables are fully seated and try a known good cable or another HDMI port. This isolates whether the problem is cable, adapter, or port. If a problem persists, reboot both devices. Often that final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.